just started snowing. Good morning, Mapa. Hindi pa masyadong kita or halata pero meron ng snow. Umuulan na ng snow. Ewan ko lang kung makikita sa camera ha. Tignan natin. Ayan. Kita ba? Parang hindi masyadong kita. Sa bagay, patak-patak pa lang naman eh. Pero nag-start na. November 19. Anyway, sige. Tingnan natin ulit. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayun. Di ba? Kita? Halata na siya eh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Up. Ayan na. Ayun, halata naman na siya. Kasi medyo malaki yung ano ng snow, yung flake ng snow. Ayan, so in the coming days, ayan, update ko kayo sa mas marami pang snow. Oh, 'di ba? Tama ako. Officially, it started snowing. November 19, 2025. Look. What a beautiful day, Mapa. Good morning. Today is Friday, November 21. The sun is up. 2 days nang umuulan ng snow, unti-unti. At ngayon lang lumabas yung sun. So, today I'm skipping classes kasi merong tour na inorganized yung school. Pupunta kami sa dalawang malalaking manufacturer dito sa Bavaria. titingnan namin yung plant nila, saka yung workspace nila. How they are working conditions. Yun. So, samahan nyo ako today. Right now, nandito tayo sa bus stop outside our apartment waiting for the bus. So, hopefully hindi delayed yung bus para makasama tayo sa tour. You'll know later kung nakasama tayo or hindi. See you. So, ayun nga, tapos na ang autumn, nagsa-start na ang winter. So, yung mga leaves na wala na, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Nakalbo na lahat ng puno. Nakita nyo, may pagka white na yung grass, mga ice yan. Hindi na natunaw. So wala nang leaves yung mga puno. So right now it's sunny. Hindi siya halatang depressing. Pero kapag cloudy and rainy, medyo nakakatakot. Kasi nga yung mga puno, parang sa mga yung napapanood natin sa movies, mga dry. Ayun. Depressing daw siya, pero hindi ko pa naman nararamdaman. Na-enjoy ko pa naman so far. Tsaka ayan na yung bus, paparating na yung bus. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nakababa na tayo sa first stop natin. Ayun na yung bus from sa bahay, galing sa bahay. So next stop from this station, transfer tayo papuntang going to the school, going to the university. So ayun na naman si Mr. Araw. Rise and shine. So this part of the commute is going to the university. It's a project by the university wherein they have this bus who just goes around the campus going back here to the train station. So marami kasing mga student na nag-aaral sa university na hindi taga rito sa Schweinfurt. So they are coming from nearest town, nearest city, and they're using the Bahnhof, they're using the they're using the train to commute papunta dito. So from the train station, meron ng direct na university bus na umiikot para lang sa university. So dito na rin tayo mag-aantay kasama nila. Kaysa pumunta pa tayo sa main center. Ito yung view niya. View talaga. So, ayan yung train station. Yan yung train station. Train station. Tapos nandito lang sa labas yung university bus. Tsaka hindi lang university bus yung nandito, marami ding ibang bus. Yung mga bus, yung mga tao naman na hindi nagte-train na outside the city naman, dito rin meron ding station dito yung anong station nga yun? Para sa mga Flixbus going to nearby cities, nearby town. Tapos bukod sa Flixbus, meron ding mga half-bahnhof from other cities and town. Diyan naman sila nag-aantay. Yan. Iba-ibang town yan yung mga pumupunta dyan. Okay, I'll see you later. So we just arrived in our second destination and second and last. Kasi from here, lalakarin na lang natin yung University Campus 2. But before that, bili kaya muna tayo ng tinapay. Huwag na. Huwag na tayong bumili ng tinapay. Kumain naman na tayo. May tubig na tayo. Sige, wag na. Ayan. Lakad na lang muna tayo. So from the bus stop, I think baka mga ano lang 2 to 3 minutes, excuse me, 2 to 3 minutes of walking going to the university. So when you get to this intersection, you go right. If you go left, that's going to the main campus, Campus 1. When you turn right, it's Campus 2. Ayan. Mukha siyang very plain and basic, pero pagdating sa loob, maganda sa loob. Very spacious. Walang sayang na space. Kasi lahat nagagamit. Ayan. Very Pinas lang, tawid-tawid lang sa daan. Oh, ayan. Actually, kung mapapansin nyo yung grass, nagko-color white na siya. Hindi yan nagko-color white. Ice yan. Yung snow kahapon. Ayan. So, are we gonna enter or magpapaaraw tayo? Magpaaraw na lang tayo. Baka mas maganda magpaaraw para may vitamin D. Dito masarap magpaaraw. Or sige, pasok na lang muna tayo. Pasok na lang muna tayo, guys. May nakita akong bakanting spot, so dito na lang muna tayo upo. I'll see you. So, when you enter the school, meron siyang yung campus to, medyo maliit lang siya. Designed for mga engineering students. Tsaka sa gitna ng university, sa gitna ng building, meron siyang malaking open space. Ayan. Pwede magpalamig habang winter, nalabas ka. Dito rin yung pwede ka mag-yosi. Yan. So waiting lang tayo nung bus para dun sa tour. Pag dumating na yung bus for the tour, ayan, sali na tayo dun sa group. Marami namang group eh. Sige, see you. We're already starting our tour for the first company. Mamaya hindi na kayo makakasama sa loob. Hindi na kayo makakasama sa loob, bawal ang camera. So first company is ESN.
वो लॉगिंग कर रहा है अभी मार्को इसके साथ निकालो ना बाहर भी आ जाए अभी रह पीछे जुड़ गए
So we just finished our tour here in ESN. Sorry, hindi na kayo nakasama sa loob kasi bawal ang camera. But right now, we're going to our next location. So, I'll see you there. Hi!
Hi. Did you like the company?
I'm not very fond of table tennis. But my brother is. My brother plays good table tennis. So I sent him some details.
Nice.
I told him that we're here in the rubber factory. Is it okay if I include you in my vlog? You're already there.
That's stupid.
You're already there. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Marco.
Yeah.
I believe you're there also in the campus city tour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen you there. Campus city tour.
That's great.
So we've met Ryan, but we're going back now to the bus. I'm not sure. So it's a double-decker bus. Nasa taas tayo, second floor. But let's see kung makakaupo tayo.
Berge, in English, hate hills, but it's not. But it's only translation. We are lovely people here. We are a lovely region. We have quite a lot of small flowers, industry. Uponor, now it's named GF Plus. In Hosford, around about 800 workers. We also have mine core, mine tools. Our region is, yeah, how will I say, was yeah. Our district is a birch region of Velroy, of corrugated pipes with plastic. Therefore, we have a division from the THWS, the Technology Transfer Center here in Hosford, especially for the production of speed pipes. Yeah. How you can see, we have no big cities. The biggest one is Hosford, nearby 13,000 Einwohner, inhabitants, thank you. Next bigger one is Ebern, round about 9,000, and Hofheim, round about 5,000. The district Hasberge himself is 53 years old. ...956 square kilometers great, and round about 85,000 people live here in our communities. Round about 30,000 people are at work. 14,000 of them are going outside to Schweinfurt, to Bamberg, Coburg, and only 7,000 will come daily to us to work here. Oh, wine, please cry short. Not so loud, please. Welcome in the paradise of beer and wine. The district Hasberge is well known. We are in the paradise because we have wine and beer. Maybe in Würzburg you only find wine, in Bamberg you only find beer. Here in Haßfurt, in Zeil, you find everything. It tastes good, it's not so cheap. In the afternoon you will have a short taste at the Weihnachtsdorf, but I think you will get a beer from the big brewery. Need half an hour. It's about 70 kilometers, but time doesn't matter. Half an hour you will make the 70 kilometers. You can also arrive us per train with Regional Express.
So we just arrived in our final location. Our final company is GF Upnor. We are in their compound right now. It's a big compound. So let's go. Just finished our last tour here at GF Upnor. We're now going to the bus to go home. So hindi ko na kayo nasama kanina. Mga snippet na lang ay ibibigay ko sa inyo later. But right now, balik na tayo sa bus. Kunin natin yung best spot kasi kakaubusan na yan mamaya. Kahit saan pwede umupo. Kaya go. Tara na. See you later. Baba daw muna kami at may photo op pala si Mayor. Ayan. Photo op.
How is it? Hamburgers per square meter.
Hello, hello. Thank you very much for your attendance today in the visit of the two companies. Right now we are heading the Christmas market in Hasford, which is a drive of 5 minutes. We take a drink there if you want. We have coupons that you get as soon as we leave the bus. And round about 30 to 45 minutes later we leave back home to Schweinfurt and Würzburg. Thank you very much.
I already follow you. Yeah, if you
So are we going Würzburg first
We
before Schweinfurt?
just arrived at Hasford station. From here it's a walk of 5 minutes. We leave, so the bus departs at 4:45. Please be here back at this time that we can go back home on time. Thank you.
Going where?
bro, अनाउंस करें ये हमारी जगह है कोई नहीं उठाए.
So we're currently on a stopover here in Hasford. I think about 45 minutes to an hour Most of the students went down to visit the brewery and to buy some things, but I decided not to go down anymore. And then after this we'll go straight to Wurzburg or Schweinfurt for the last stop of the day. So I'll update you again. This is Hasford.
हाँ देख लिया पूछना है यार कहाँ आप क्या हो क्या
Some of the students are now coming back.
क्लासमेट सबसे पूछना है कि किसको किसको इंटर्नशिप मिली है क्या सीन है ये वो नहीं वो जो आप कह रहे हैं फर्स्ट वन ये वाला 6 बजे वो वाला उनका टाइम है क्लास वालों का हाँ उन्हें कहो यार 7 बजे नहीं 6 बजे पहुंच जाएंगे हम तो लेट ही पहुंचेंगे because of the student status. That's why I will ask you about this if you get extension. If she gets extension, he gets extension, then I will raise my hand. Because we don't want no, just working in a warehouse.
We just finished our tour and we are now here back in Schweinfurt. So I'm ending this night. Goodbye. And this is the bus na sinakya namin. Now it's going to second destination. The last destination is Wurzburg. Bye. So tayo naman, bye-bye na. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.